So
I
you
gotta wash everything yet. I haven't.
you
done
laid
it.
90 bricks in this area.
Yeah. All along here. Here we
Yeah.
did this one, right?
The color match is nice,
Pretty
Daryl.
good. It's pretty good. I gotta wash it.
Really nice.
I gotta wash it yet.
I mean,
haven't
you
washed
just did this just yesterday,
Yeah,
anyways.
yeah.
You
I
know,
gotta
color
wash it.
with this time of the year is bad for the color, right? Because
it. It'll match. I'll get it.
it'll match it up afterwards. Yeah.
But look at all they gotta do. If he can't, because he's supposed to.
Yeah. It's recording. No, it's good.
He might not be able to. He's leaving to Greece or something. October
Oh,
1st.
good for him.
Oh, I
Nice.
know that. He said for maybe 5 weeks. You can come here with me for a week.
I'd love to.
We got to do this.
We're going to go do some painting over
Yeah,
at.
you guys- it doesn't have to be.
Henderson
I've got
Highway.
about 5 weeks here, but if it is, then I'll only have 3 weeks. I can do this myself, right? But in the corner here too, behind here. We go
Are you-
right around the whole building? But around the whole building, there's only maybe 1 day in that back there, right?
Are you cutting on top of like the poly so that to pick up all the garbage
Yeah,
is
I'll-
easier? Hey, it's just,
Put on the concrete there.
look at the erosion in the mortar joint there, man.
Yeah, I know that. Look at this. So, this, I'm not doing anything here. I don't know what we're gonna do here. He said don't do anything there. It's all gonna be fixed after. I gotta put a piece in here. I'll cut this. But this is where we need a guys here too. 2 guys.
Yeah, yeah.
With barricade, and it's only going up to here. But look, all this here too, right?